Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Ketanat Forest James P.K. Sangma henekasngi ulah pelat yakakot kabla ai kerteng hakatin pareng Withering Forest Dying Reverse. Kabla Thoh du Naba Bhattacharjee. Habaikiran bedunong Thoh jong henekakot Naba Bhattacharjee. Ulai tu bakajing Thoh kajong kalong mat penpau yak kaboloi i kabla jana du snam ardar saw bat bakathong kalong mat penpau syaki ba. La ko bam di ka kiu na ka her bat ki klau ki petap kumnu kalong. Ulang ru bakane ka di kapor bangi hap ban yo ijngai kumnu ban penne pensa e ka bam di bat ki klau ki petap.
Mr. Chandra Bhushan, CEO I Forest. Mr. Bhushan is one of India's
all of us. The book really clearly spells out how, in the name of development, we have exploited our natural resources ruthlessly and polluted our planet. Today, a multitude of our flora and fauna are facing the dangers of extinction due to, sadly, our selfishness and our greed. As Mahatma Gandhi said it, that the earth has enough resources for our needs but not for our greed. And this stands truer more now than ever. And it's so interesting that he mentioned about this during his time, about the great impact that large-scale industrialization and modernization would have on the environment and the planet. And really, this is something that's echoing today in the reality what we see all around us. All of us cannot deny that today we are all, as humanity, waging war on Mother Nature, and she is already striking back with growing force and fury. From shifting weather patterns to rising sea levels that increase the risk of catastrophes, we are all facing the effects of climate change and global warming at an unprecedented rate. Biodiversity is collapsing. 1 million species are at a risk of extinction. Ecosystems are disappearing before our very eyes. Wetlands are being lost. And the recently released report by the IPCC clearly states that the role of human influence on the climate system is undisputed. Human-mediated activities are a major threat to our environment and biodiversity. Population growth and economic development are seen as prevalent drivers of environmental change through energy, transport, urbanization, and globalization. The pursuit of unlimited economic growth has led to increasing and unsustainable overconsumption of energy, fresh water, forests, our marine habitats, clean air, and rich soil on a global scale. In one of your chapters, Mr. Bhattacharjee, you have addressed the inequality of balance and the trade-offs between the development and environment. I was very happy to read and find a resonance in the ethos because I believe that a state and ecological terrain like us in Meghalaya.
You see, this is the experience, the struggles, the issues taken up since 2004. And my attempt has to be put forward to the readers. If you see in the book, you'll see below within bracket I have written 2004, 2008. That means these issues, these chapters were highlighted in that particular year. Now over the years, when we have reached 2022, what is the status now? Whether it has further declined, whether it has improved. If it has improved, who is responsible, who has worked? If it has declined, who also has to take the responsibility? So this is the general idea. And my next book will be an evaluation after discussing with all readers, all of you, media. Say Umyam, my first chapter if you see. what has happened? It has gone worse. The High Court has now come forward and taken cognizance, and they're issuing orders. Then we are again preparing a committee, then doing a buffer zone, this, that, continuing. So where are we going to move ahead, or we will just remain, or we'll just sliding down? Because it's high time evaluations had to take place. In the panel discussion, I had said that we had already had too much of rhetorics. भाषणबाजी बहुत हो गया. हकीकत में ज़मीनत में काम नहीं हो रहा है. And that is not only government or media or we environmentalists, even people should be responsible. They should realize that this is a priority area.